Good morning, y'all. It is Monday. It's 10:38 look like, and I'm just starting my day. I'm off today and tomorrow, so y'all know I'm gonna go ahead and open up my vlog. I want to show y'all a weigh-in. The first clip is from December 11th. I wanted to do a weigh-in all the way before Christmas and New Year's. So y'all see I was 261 on December the 11th. This is the way my smart scale looked, because I never showed y'all how the app looked that's connected to your phone from that scale. So from December 11th, I was 261. And then I'll have my weigh-in update and how it looks on the scale. I'm doing pretty good. I weighed 257 yesterday, but I had my mushroom coffee and stuff. You know, it's gonna be off like a pound or so or two or whatever every time you weigh yourself, but I don't care as long as I'm seeing a difference. I'm just gonna keep on going. I've been doing that cappuccino with the mushroom coffee in the morning and with the collagen and the probiotic creamer, and for some reason that has not had me hungry when I go to work. I usually go to lunch around 12 or 12:30. I usually take my 15 at 10 o'clock because I get off at 3. But I usually eat my fruit on my 15, but I haven't even been hungry. So I've been eating my snack packs and my vegetables and everything at 12. Then I'll have a meal when I come home, probably around 4. And then I'll eat a little something else probably around 8. And then I'm not hungry anymore. So I'm just sticking with that. I have not been doing no exercise because y'all know I've been through the little car accident. But I have been using my waist trainer. Let me show it to y'all because I never show y'all nothing I got for Black Friday. Really, I got this Sculpt Touch. The only reason why I got it, it was on sale for $38 and for Black Friday, and it does snatch you up. But I got this for back support, and y'all, my stomach, I can tell the difference like in my pants, like my work pants, they're starting to slide down on me from wearing this. So from wearing this, I've been wearing this for like pretty much ever since Black Friday, I think, like that. And it's really been doing good for me, and it's really been helping my back. I'm walking straighter and I'm not limping as bad. But yeah, and y'all know I had to get the pee. So let me finish taking care of my skin. I just wanted to open up the vlog. I hope y'all having a great day. Bye. Hey y'all, it's a little late in the day, and this is the garage. This is what I have to get straightened out before I can even think about bringing any of that stuff from that storage in Atlanta. I don't think I'm gonna be giving away too much stuff from out here because all of this stuff is brand new. I have given away everything that I have already worn, mostly except for the outfits that Mr. wanted to keep. But I have to size down some of these containers to be able to fit the rest of the stuff from my closet and the stuff from the storage in here. So this is my side of the garage, and I'm just showing you guys everything. I have to wait on Mr. to be home to handle this. All right, y'all, it's 5:35 and I'm in my favorite off-day spot, and I got a package from Shein. All right, y'all, so let's get in here and see what we got. It is nothing but accessories. So we can open this last. So while the socks was on sale, I told y'all I take full advantage of my points. Everything I order, I take pictures of. Even the stuff that I got for like 69 cents you get at least 15 or 10 points for. So if you are not taking pictures and just writing a little review on Shein, you missing out because the points add up. So I did go back and get me another pair of the black socks, and I got me another pair of the white socks, and I got me a pair of the gray socks. So these are all the same socks that I showed y'all the first time. I got a gold cover up. It was $15, but I had been waiting on it to go down, and it had popped up at a price reduction. So it went from $15 to like $4 and some change. So I got this. I'll put a picture up so you can see it, but it's gold, and y'all know I love the dangly, fringy stuff. It's gold and sparkly, so I got this. And then also, I got this one shoulder bathing suit. Y'all know I just got one in black with the conch shell. I got this cream one with the seashell, and I'll put the picture on. I just loved it, y'all. Y'all know I love starfish and anything with the sea I love. So I got this, and I'll put a picture on the screen of both of these items, and then let me open this box. Okay, y'all, when I saw this, I had to have it. So let's unwrap it. I'm glad they packaged it up good. I have another purse like this, but it is a conch shell. So y'all know when I seen this shell purse, I do have a white one, but I did not have a gold one. This is going to be so pretty. Let me unwrap it, y'all, so it won't be so loud, and I'll come back. I like that it has this sticky film over it to protect it. I might stick this back on, y'all. This is so beautiful. I actually got it upside down. It goes like this, and it has 3 diamonds on the top, and you press it down to open it, I'm guessing. Yep. Enough room to put all your little stuff you would take to the club or brunch or on a beach dinner date. That's what I'm going to have this for. And a chain. I love it, y'all. Good afternoon, y'all. It is Tuesday the 14th, and I am up and about. I go back to work tomorrow, so I am sorting and folding clothes and emptying out my baskets. I had 2 baskets of clean clothes I needed to take care of. And I also needed to fold my blankets and sheets that I have everywhere since my shelf done fell. So I did all that. I always show y'all all my new clothes, but I never tell y'all what I do with my old clothes or the clothes I repeat. I have 3 drawers down here, and I periodically throw stuff away and give stuff away of like my house dresses, my little long house dresses, because you know I'm in my mother-in-law's house, so it's certain stuff that I cannot wear. So like my lingerie and certain nightgowns and stuff like that are packed up. So I mostly just wear house dresses and house coats, or like matching pants with a top, sleeping sets. So once I wear something, this is what I do. All right, so y'all know we just had Christmas. I ordered these shirts from Shein. I recorded in these shirts. I do not want them. I'm not going to wear them again. So I have them in this pile. I'm going to find the earrings and put this all together. I'll either put this to the side to give to one of Mr.'s cousins, or I will give these shirts to Mr.'s mother to send to Haiti or whatever she wants to do with them. These are clothes that I wear around the house, to doctor's appointments, and bras and panties and stuff like that. So everything that I wear goes in these 3 drawers. That's my stuff still on the floor from the haul. But it's not on the floor. It's inside my basket. I got to get that up. So that's what I do with the stuff that I repeat. It's just these 3 drawers. These 3 drawers are Mr.'s drawers. And then the rest of his stuff is in the garage because it's no room. So y'all, I know baby gonna be happier than me once we go on and move, because he'll be able to have his closet in our house. Mr. had all the room drawers, like the whole bedroom set. I had drawers. I had 1 drawer just with night clothes, panties and stuff like that, and the walk-in closet, and all the rest of the drawers were his. Now all his stuff is pretty much packed up besides his leisure stuff. I try to keep all his like Nike biker shorts and his sleeping pants and shirts and undershirts and stuff like that ready for when he comes home, so he doesn't have to be all around looking for it. So that's what I keep. Or his little pants that, you know, his jean shorts that he'll throw on if we end up going to get food or something like that in the drawers, because y'all know he works over the road right now. So that's how I keep everything separated, and that's what I do to change out my clothes and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna finish this, finish putting up all this stuff, and then I'll check back in with you guys. I just wanted to check in for today, and I'm getting stuff done. Bye, y'all. Good morning, y'all. It is Wednesday. It's about 9:23, and I just got up and washed my face, my teeth and stuff. But y'all, I'm supposed to be at work, but I didn't go. They had me off 2 days, work, and then off. And I'm already not really feeling good because it's my time of the month. So I was like, shit, I might as well stay home and relax and have 4 days off. But I wanted to pop in and say good morning, and I wanted to do the update on Macy's. So I'm going to put 2 things up on the screen. So apparently it's not all the Macy's that are closing, which I was under the impression that all the Macy's was closing. But the Macy's that are not doing well far as sales in certain areas are closing. So I'm going to put the little map and the little grid. It shows how many stores and where they are closing at. But the sale is still on. I think it's 25 or 50% on Macy's. So I had told some of the ladies in the comments that I would come back and do a better update. I seen that 2 were closing, and that Big Lots is closing too. So I don't know if Big Lots is closing in every area, because I didn't look that up. I didn't dive into that, but I know the Big Lots in my area is doing clearance closing sales. So y'all, I don't know what's going on. They say stuff getting bad. You know, I know everything is getting high and stuff like that. I've seen a couple local furniture stores going out of business too. But y'all know it's a lot going on with this economy and money and stuff. That's why I just be thankful, y'all. Because you never know what somebody else is going through. Even they're closing some of our neighborhood Walmarts. They are closing. And I think I was watching Rainbow Queen and her area that she used to live in. They closed her neighborhood Walmart. And I forgot. No, she don't live in New York. I forgot where she lived at, but they was closing her Walmart, y'all. So yeah, I just wanted to do a quick update on that, and I'll check in with you guys later on today. Bye. Good evening, you guys. Today is Thursday the 16th. I just been chilling. I didn't really have anything going on. I made me some quick tacos. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be back with another one.